Fittings are fabricated pipe components that are used to perform specific functions throughout the routing of a pipeline. Fittings can make directional changes, such as elbows, create a branch from a main pipe, such as tees, or make a reduction in the diameter of a pipe, such as reducers. Now take a look at the following piping system. It includes various fittings. You can see here, highlighted in blue, 3 90-degree elbows. Here in green, 3 tees. And finally, a reducer. At this stage, don't worry if these piping components are not clear for you. We will examine them in exquisite detail further ahead. For now, just keep in mind that because fittings are part of the piping system, they must match as closely as possible in specification and rating to the pipe to which they are being attached. Fittings, like pipe, are actually manufactured and classified according to their wall thickness or schedule. There are, however, many more wall thicknesses of pipe than there are thicknesses of fittings. Fittings are commercially manufactured in standard weight, extra strong, schedule 160, and double extra strong categories. In the petrochemical industry, most companies have guidelines known as piping specifications that state pipes 3-inch in diameter and larger used in their facility will have butt-welded connections. These specifications, or simply specs as they are more commonly referred to, may also require pipes smaller than 3-inch in diameter to have screwed or socket weld connections. For uniformity, these petrochemical specifications will be used throughout this course as a basis for determining pipe connection requirements. However, this is of course not to say this is the only spec that can be written. There may be cases where small bore pipe configurations are butt welded, and other cases where larger size routings may be screwed or socket weld. Actually, you will find at the end of this course a complete section that will discuss in detail various piping specifications and codes that apply to them, with real industrial examples taken from the chemical and the oil industries. So feel free to jump to that section if you are a little bit more advanced. However, if you're starting from scratch, then we strongly advise you to stick to the schedule and proceed to the next video to build your knowledge from the ground up. And in the next couple of videos, we will examine the main pipe fittings in detail. We begin with pipe elbows.